3 welding boots. 3 different approaches to sparks, heat, and falling steel. Here is what separates them and which one wins. At number 3, the Timberland PRO Met Guard, style TB185516214. The steel safety toe covers the front, while an internal polyurethane and rubber metatarsal guard extends impact coverage across the top of the foot. Timberland combines premium leather with abrasion-resistant EverGuard leather, protective heat-resistant thread, a steel shank, and a heat dash, oil dash, and slip-resistant rubber outsole. Goodyear welt construction creates a durable mechanical bond. Although Timberland does not promise factory resoling, it is imported. Current retailer listings identify Bangladesh. We compared manufacturer specifications, safety construction, professional feedback, and recurring owner complaints directly inside each ranking. The 24/7 comfort system is this boot's advantage. Cushioning and arch support make it the comfort-focused traditional choice. The trade-off is weight and bulk. At roughly 2.45 pounds per boot in a men's size 9, it can run warm, and exposed laces remain a spark and debris vulnerability that points directly to a tougher industrial platform. The Timberland PRO Met Guard earns a WORX Boot Lab score of 8.7 out of 10. Beyond comfort, the next boot is built for heavy industry. Number 2 is the WORX by Redwing Taconite 5486. Its steel toe and ASTM-listed metatarsal protection are paired with electrical hazard construction and a heat-resistant rubber resistor outsole. Electrical hazard footwear is secondary protection only. It never replaces lockout, insulated PP, or workplace procedure. The oiled and waxed nubuck upper is full leather. A steel shank and welt construction create a rigid, stable platform on grading and hard shop floors. Redwing lists the boot as globally sourced and offers repair services, but repair or resole eligibility should be confirmed for this exact pair. For shipyards, structural shops, and severe industrial maintenance, this is the maximum armor option. That armor is also the drawback: heavy, stiff, and slower to break in. Repeated kneeling exposes its flexibility penalty. The winner keeps metatarsal coverage, but sheds some of that block of steel feeling. The WORX Taconite earns a WORX Boot Lab score of 9.1 out of 10. Same core protection, less bulk, better mobility. Number 1 is the Thorogood Jobsite IMET, style 8044150. Its internal IMET2 system protects the metatarsal zone without a large external shield, and a composite safety toe completes broad impact coverage. The protective construction is non-metallic, but it is still substantial safety footwear. The 6-inch full-grain leather upper is waterproof. Underfoot, Thorogood uses a composite shank, removable polyurethane footbed, rubber EVA outsole, and Goodyear Storm welt construction. The outsole is listed as slip and oil-resistant. Thorogood does not publish a specialized hot contact temperature claim for this model. It is imported from China. Because this is a newer style and the official page currently shows no reviews, long-term owner history is still limited. What wins is the balance: metatarsal coverage, composite toe protection, weather resistance, cushioning, and better working mobility. The waterproof build may run warm, and an internal guard gives less visual reassurance than an external shield. It is also more protection than most hobby welders need. Those are smaller compromises than the mobility penalty of the Taconite. The Thorogood Jobsite IMET earns a WORX Boot Lab score of 9.4 out of 10. Timberland is the comfort-focused traditional option. Taconite is the heavy industrial armor choice. Thorogood is the best overall balance for professional welders. What are you wearing, and how long has the outsole survived? Add your experience below, and subscribe for the next research-driven comparison. Which of these boots have you actually worn for welding work? How did they handle sparks, concrete, and long shifts? Share your experience below. It may help another welder choose the right pair. Subscribe to the WORX Boot Lab for more honest, research-driven work gear comparisons.